duration extension, and I only install it just to see where I am as far as the length of my playlist, how I'm progressing as far as time. And I know I could put this in a spreadsheet, but it's right here. It shows me that today I'm at 17 hours, 24 minutes, and 21 seconds. And I'll say that I've been on here since January of this year, January 2020, and it should be much more than this. But people have lives outside of YouTube. It's a comparison. It's the playlist duration for this playlist, which is and this is right here because I'm only playing it today. I try to play it once a week because it's kind of long, just to support. Alrighty, that is my share for today. Everybody take care.